Hi, I'm Mark, the founder at Nodeledge. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of what learning looks like in the Nodeledge platform. So the first thing you need to do once you purchase a course is to press the login button at the top to log in. Once you do that, you can navigate to the Python Done Right link on the top. Here you're met with a landing page, which is the next available actions. These are progressively unlocked as you progress through the course content. Let's have a quick look at the course overview there before we dive in. So there's a traditional view here, which structures the course into modules and then units below that. And for each of these, you can see the lessons that are available to you, whether or not you've completed them. You can see we've got about 90 lessons at the moment, and that's set to double over the next few months. And this is a partially completed course, so you can see the learner is 52% through. We can click on any one of the lessons, and we can view the reference material for it. Okay, if I go back now to the main page, there are two other views that allow us to visualize our progress through the course. The first is a 2D visual representation. So in Nodeledge, the courses are structured using knowledge graphs. What this crucially means is you progressively unlock new lessons and activities as you master the prerequisites for them. The other implication of this is you will never be in a position when you're at a given node in the graph or lesson where you're being asked to complete questions or exercises based on material or concepts you have not mastered already. So we get a nice visual representation in 2D here as we move up from bottom to top. You can also view this in 3 dimensions as well and explore the Python universe this way. Nice, so let's jump in and look at what a lesson looks like. So if we click study, we enter an interactive environment where we have Python running in the browser. So on the right hand side we have 2 interactive Python environments, one editor and one console. The console we can just type Python directly in. The editor we can type larger scripts and run them. These correspond to lesson questions, which we look at on the left. So the typical flow of a lesson will be we'll have an explanation, which will introduce the material concisely for us. And then we'll have a worked example, which is a clear demonstration of types of problems we'll be needing to solve, which the questions will relate to. So when we've gone through the example, we can then start taking a look at the question, which corresponds to the code in the Python editor. I'm just going to guess for this. So this is used to verify our solution. So once we've clicked, we can see that we get a full explanation explaining the code line by line. And then we've unlocked the next question in the lesson. And the lesson will progress, usually around 10 to 15 minutes, where we progressively unlock content as we proceed. If we happen to fail a lesson, we'll be asked to wait a short while before continuing the platform. And in the meantime, we can go and either review the reference material or take one of the other lessons that are open to us at that point in time. That's all for now. Thank you very much.